Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Rihant Online Academy and in the series of important international days, today we are going to discuss very fruitful and informational points on World Telecommunication and Information Society Day, which is celebrated every year on 17th May. So we will discuss important objectives of this day, why this day is celebrated across globally, and we will also discuss important facts, theme of this year, and the goals that needs to achieve with this day, and very important points, right? So watch this video till the end so that you can get much important points for raising your general awareness and general knowledge for all your upcoming exams, right? So let's discuss. World Telecommunication and Information Society Day has been celebrated annually every year on 17th May. So first point that should to be noted is every year 17th May we celebrate World Telecommunication and Information Society Day, right? Since 1969. So since 1969 it is started to celebrated to mark the founding of ITU, that is International Telecommunication Union, to mark the foundation of International Telecommunication Union, or you can also say International Telegraph Union. So since 1969 we are celebrating, because on the 17th May 1969 ITU was founded. So for that, for celebrating this day, for celebrating the marking of foundation of ITU, every year we celebrate 17th May as World Telecommunication and Information Society Day, and the signing of first International Telegraph Convention in 1865. So on 17th May 1865, first International Telegraph Convention was also signed in Paris. You can note that in Paris it was signed. The first International Telegraph Convention was signed. So to commemorate the presence of this day, this is the important markings, right? So next is about ITU, that what is International Telecommunication Union, or you can say what is International Telegraph Union. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations which is responsible for all matters related to information and communication technologies. That is nothing but ICT, information and communication technology. The headquarters of ITU is at Geneva, Switzerland, and it is founded on 17th May 1865. Important points to note for your exam. And it is headed by General Secretary. You know that the present General Secretary is Antonio Guterres, and it is generally headed by the General Secretary of United Nations, right? So it is about ITU. Now, one important point about this day is that the World Telecommunication Day was celebrated on 17th May, right, since 1969, and World Information Society Day was celebrated on the same day, that is since 17th May 2005. But World Telecommunication Day was celebrated to commemorate the presence of, or to mark the foundation of ITU, and first signing of telegraph. But World Information Society Day is celebrated to raise the awareness about ICT, that is information and communication technology, to raise the awareness about internet and related things. So combinedly these 2 days, in November 2000, in November 2006, at plenipotentiary conference of in Antalya, Turkey, it is decided that on 17th May we will combinedly togetherly we will celebrate this day as a World Telecommunication and Information Society Day. What is plenipotentiary? I hope you know. It is a group of Democrats. It is a group of Democrats which takes decision on behalf of government, right? So in November 2006, the ITU plenipotentiary conference in Antalya, Turkey, it is decided that this day will be celebrated as WTISD. It is shortened form of World Telecommunication and Information Society Day. Okay guys, Now the next point is what are the objectives to celebrate this day. The main objective of the day was to raise global awareness of social changes brought about by the internet and new technologies. It also aims to help reduce digital divide. What is digital divide? Digital divide is basically that some persons have connection of internet, they have all the technologies, they know each and everything about it, but some persons are there who doesn't have access to internet, who doesn't have access to these technological things, who doesn't have the what to say internet technology things like laptop internet, like cell phones, mobile android phones, right? So to reduce this gap, we celebrate this day to raise the global awareness about social changes that is internet bringing day by day, right? So to celebrate to reduce the digital divide, to raise the global awareness about social changes that is day by day bringing by internet and information communication technology, we broadly celebrate this day globally, right, on 17th May. And to help raise awareness of the possibilities that the use of internet and other information and communication technologies, that is ICT, can bring to social and economies. What is ICT? Basically information technology is there, and the bigger term of information technology is say that ICT you can say the superset of information technology, which consists of internet, right, which consists of wireless technology, which consists of cell phones, mobile phones, laptops, iPads, right? So all these things like social media, all these things are come under ICT. So to raise the awareness about these technologies across the world, we celebrate this day. Now what is the theme of this day for 2021? For 2021, the theme of World Telecommunication and Information Society Day was set as accelerating digital transformation in challenging time by ITU. ITU has set the theme of the year 2021 for World Telecommunication and Information Society Day is accelerating digital transformation in challenging time. Why it is termed as in challenging time? Presently, it is like COVID-19 situation is going across the world. So how digital transformations can help for surviving and to help the peoples around the world to get recover about these problems, right? So how we can accelerate digital transformations in this challenging time, it is the theme of 2021. We can implement certain digital policies, certain statistical points, so that with use of that, if we can help the world in this challenging time, right? So it is the theme which is International Telecommunication Union or International Telegraph Union has set for this day. The next is important facts on telecommunication, which I took from the daysoftheyear.com. The important facts are the first text message that was ever sent by Neil Papworth. It was a festival one, and the message was Merry Christmas, right? So first text message was sent by Neil Papworth. The next is the first ever VoIP, that is Voice over Internet Protocol, was made in December 1974. The most common use of mobile phone is to check the time. Telephone wires have been ranked based on how testy mice find them, and the tastier the telephone wire, the less likely it was used, because the chances of getting corruption, the chances of getting fault is more in that, right? That is why, right? And the Nokia tone for getting an SMS text is actually Morse code for SMS, right? Important point to note. You can get this kind of complicated GK questions in MCQs, because these questions make difference, right? Basic things knows by each candidate, but this kind of facts, this kind of important points make the difference while attempting any competitive exam. The next is it took around 1 year to connect the first phone line between San Francisco and New York, and the telephone is the most profitable invention in the history of United States. So it is important and funniest point of telecommunication. Okay guys, now how can you contribute for this day? You can share the challenges of telecommunication with internet or on information with ITU, that is International Telecommunication Union, on their website. You can create lessons that you have learned, or you can create lesson plans. You can expertise your experience on that. You can make with using certain guidelines, that how can it help. You can create certain content on that. You can share success stories about raising awareness, and you can write blogs and case studies and good practices solutions, or important publications or papers on this topic, and you can share these topics with ITU and put in place with future challenging time, that how it can help to the people, right? So basically it is about all about IT, that how information technology, how internet can bring change, and how it can help further to awareness about digital policies, right? Awareness about statistical policies that can raise the awareness about this internet technical things, and how internet can brings positive change, and how it can reduce digital divide, right? So you can share your contribution with ITU, and you can get a contribution point with this day, right? So it is the important point that I have shared with you guys. I hope that whatever I have discussed with you, that is the basics of World Telecommunication and Information Society Day, which is gonna be important for you. So let me revise it again. I am revising it, guys. World Telecommunication and Information Society Day is celebrated each year on 17th May 1969, and it is celebrated because on 17th May 1865, the first International Telegraph Convention was signed, and International Telecommunication Union was founded. Headquarter of ITU is existed in Geneva, Switzerland, which is founded on 17th May 1865. The headquarter is in Geneva. The head of this is the General Secretary, and it is celebrated as combinedly as a World Telecommunication Day and World Information Society Day, as a World Telecommunication and Information Society Day, which is shortened as WTISD. And objective is to reduce the digital divide, to raise the awareness about social changes that is brought about internet, and to raise awareness and the possibilities of internet and ICT globally, for how it is impacting economies and like that. The theme of 2021 is accelerating digital transformation in challenging times. Important facts I have already discussed with you. So guys, I hope it is it will be on informational for you, and help you to get some important points. Guys, do like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and stay tuned with us for more regular updates. Have a very nice day, guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.